The director should begin by familiarizing themselves with a list of reports available to them. One report that is particularly important is the Task Exception Report. This will indicate which tasks have not been completed for each department. In the Resident Services Department, this will show plan of care services and medications in the EMAR that have not been given to residents. The director can then follow up with staff and supervisors on why these tasks were not performed. These instances should also have been documented by supervisors and/or staff in the daily log. Another important report to reference is the Task Minutes Report. This report allows the user to look up a specific staff member and identify within a date range how long in minutes that their assigned plan of care tasks are taking to perform. The user can also look up a specific resident to identify within a date range how long tasks are taking to be performed for them. Similarly, the completed task report will allow the user to identify tasks that have been completed. For the Resident Services Department, the plan of care will display the date and time of the service, the plan of care point item, the resident that the service is being provided for, and the name of the staff member who completed the service. Completed EMAR tasks will display the date and time, the resident name, the medication name and dosage, the staff member who completed the task, and the status of the task. Medication that the resident has refused to take will be displayed here. Whenever a staff member is no longer employed by the facility, the director must make them inactive. Begin in the home page and select the Employees icon. Next, select the name of the staff member you wish to deactivate. In the Personal Information section, click the Update link. A list of information for that staff member is now displayed. Scroll to the bottom of the screen, and here you will enter their last day that they worked. You will then check the box below to make that staff member inactive. This staff member will now show up in the Former Employees list in the Employees main page. Their username and password will also be deactivated automatically as a result of being inactive. The director also must update the employee's rehire code based on the staff member's level of performance during their employment. The director is also responsible for learning all policies and procedures and ensuring that all staff in their facility are following the policies and procedures that have been established for them. The Calendar module is a very useful tool to pass along information and events to all staff in the facility. Information can be viewed and added by clicking on the date. The director is also in charge of efficiently managing the facility's budget. They can add expenditures for various operating expenses accrued by the facility and compare it to the allotted budget. This will also reveal if the expenditure has caused the category to be under or over budget, or if it has met the budget. Numbers that are under budget will be shown in green, numbers that are over budget will appear in red, and numbers that exactly meet the budget will be displayed in black. The report will also reveal what % of the total budget is being used.